Good morning, my dear children. So, I'm very happy to meet you through YouTube class after this monthly assessment. So, children, we have started this lesson in the previous video. So, in that video, we have just seen an introduction about this lesson. From Civics, Chapter 2, Diversity and Discrimination, we have seen introduction in the last video. Okay, children. So, in that video, we have just seen about what is diversity, what are the difference, what are the different religion, culture, places and languages, festivals, what are the difference we have in our India. And we have seen about prejudice. What is prejudice? How we are thinking about a people, or how we are judging about a people without knowing their real character. Just we are judging them by their place or language or their appearance. Okay, we are judging them without knowing their real character. Okay, so about prejudice and stereotypes we have seen in that last video. Okay, we have just covered a small topic in that video. So in this video also we are going to just see a small topic. So children, be energetic and be ready to listen to this class, and you just keep a paper and pen with you every time when you listen the class, so that you can just take notes when you hear the important points, what you understand. You can just take notes, so that will be useful for you. Okay, just in a paper you can just note down whatever you understand or what are the important points, just we can note it down. Okay, also you just keep your books and everything along with you. Okay, children. Okay, so let's start this lesson. Okay, so first we have seen in the last video about stereotypes. Okay, now we are going to see how we are creating stereotypes. Like boy means we have to do this, girl means we have to do this. How we are creating that stereotypes. Okay, that we are going to see now. First, creating stereotypes. How familiar are you with gender difference? Okay, so what does mean to be a boy or girl? That means what are the different stereotypes we society created about boy and girl? Okay, first we will see that with the example. Okay, so first the statement, they don't cry, is generally associated with boys and men. Okay, we used to hear, right? Boys, they never cry, only girls used to keep crying and creating all problems. Only girls used to do that crying scene. These boys, they are strong, they never cry before anyone. We used to hear this term, right? So people generally used to say this word, they don't cry, is generally associated with boys. Okay, boys never cry. We used to hear this term often, right? So we are going to see about this. Even as a child, when boys fall and hurt themselves, their parents and other family members, they often console them by saying, don't cry, you're a boy, boys don't cry. Okay, so how this happened? If a small boy, if he fall down and he hurt himself, or some wound or anything happened in his leg, and he started crying, means what will happen? Immediately parents and family members, they will come, don't cry, you're a boy, boys never cry, you should be very strong, boys never cry before anyone. They started consoling the child by saying these words. Okay, so soon these children start believing that crying is a sign of weakness. Crying is a sign of weakness, and that people who tease him if he cries in front of them. So what will happen? This boy stops crying before anyone. Okay, because from the childhood itself, what happened? They started grown up in their way, saying boys never cry. So what happened? They stopped crying before anyone. So they will think, oh, if we cry before people, what people will do? They will tease us. So we should never cry. Okay, this boys also started thinking that. Okay, so this common statement, like boys don't cry, they never cry before anyone. This make them boys not to cry before anyone. Okay, so this is the first and very common example in our society. Okay, like creating stereotypes. Okay, boys, they will not do this, they will do only this. Girls, they will not do this, they will do only this. This is like creating stereotypes. Okay, next, another common statement is, this is the way boys are and this is how girls are. This is another statement. So we accept without even thinking and start believing that each one of us must behave accordingly. So we also started accepting what the society says. Boys only have to do this, girls only have to do that. We also start accepting that fact, that content without thinking. Okay, without thinking that we started accepting that. Okay, we started believing that is the thing we have to do and we started doing that only. Okay, and we are started behaving like that only. Okay, children, like what society says, like girls, we have to do only this, then we started believing that and we started doing accordingly. Okay, we fit all boys and girls into an image that society creates around us. What happened? We started believing and doing only the things what society said, only this you have to do. Okay, children, so we fix people into one image, that is called stereotype. Okay, we start fitting the people into an image, that is like creating stereotype. Okay, children, next, saying that those who belong to a particular country, religion, sex, race, or economic background are stinky, lazy, criminal, or dumb. This is using stereotypes. That means we used to say like he is coming from this place, so he will be like a lazy. The people coming from that place will always be lazy, so he's coming from that place, he will also be lazy. We used to think like that, right? So without knowing the real character of that man, we started believing about him with his place, right? So immediately, so like this, we are creating many stereotypes. So this, he is a foreigner, he is coming from this place. So this foreigner will be like this only. They never have any sentiments. They used to be very weird. They never be quiet or calm and listen to us. They will be like this only. So we used to see them in that image and we never try to interact with them and we never know their character, but we just judge them with their place. Okay, also with some religion, so he belonged to that religion, so he will be very rough to us, he will be like criminal, so we should not talk to him, he belonged to that religion. So what we are doing, because of his religion we are considering him as a criminal, but we don't know about his exact character. So this is called as creating stereotypes. Okay, children. So, but actually, what is the true fact? What is the true thing? That is, there are stinky, lazy, criminal, dumb people in every country, in every religion, in every race, or in every economic background, in everything. There will be people who are lazy, stinky, criminal, dumb. But what we are thinking, only people belong to that group. or only people belong to that religion, or only people belong to that people, or stingy or lazy or criminal. But these kind of people will be there in everywhere, in every place. Okay, children? Next, stereotypes. So stereotypes, this stereotypes stops us looking each person as a unique individual with his or her own special qualities and skills. They are different from others. So each person, each man, each woman is unique, is different from others. We should not think about any people or any man or woman according to their country or religion, or whether he is man, or whether she is a woman, or white or black, or any economic background, whatever it is. Okay, we should not think he will be like this without knowing his actual individual ability. Okay, children? Next, inequality and discrimination. Inequality and discrimination. So, discrimination occurs when people act on their prejudice or stereotypes. That means discrimination. We are thinking like this man is belong to that religion and that group. So we shouldn't. He's like inferior to us. He's low to us. Okay, people belonging to different religions can be aspect of diversity, but that can be a source of discrimination. So some people who may speak a certain language, follow a particular religion, live in a specific region, so they will be discriminated according to their customs. So we used to say like, so this man, he belongs to this place near to that hill, he's belong to that place, and he is like believing that religion, he is speaking this language, he is so inferior and low. People started saying like that, right? So this is like discrimination. We are discriminating. We are, because of his religion and his place and his language, we are thinking him as a low level. So this is called discrimination. Okay, children? Next, then because of further, that means because of the economic backgrounds, that means rich or poor, because of this we are treating people as different. Oh, he's rich, so we can talk to him. He's poor, we should not talk to him. Some people used to have that mindset. So that is called what? Inequality. Okay, inequality. Some people will experience both kind of discrimination. Okay, they used to be like very poor, belonging to some low place. So people used to say like, oh, he's very poor and he's in from that place, so he is like that only. So that is like creating stereotypes and discriminating. Okay, they are poor belonging to groups whose culture is not valued. Okay, some tribals, people living near that hill areas, and that people living near the forest. Okay, so some religion groups and even particular regions, they are discriminated against one or more of these. Okay, children? So what is the actual content of this video? People are judged without knowing their actual individual character and their skills, only because of their religion or place or their language. Because of that, they are judged like, okay, they are inferior to us or they are superior to us. Okay, without knowing their actual character, just because of their location or language or anything, we are just fixing that people into an image. They will be like that only. Okay, so that creates many problems, that creates discrimination, inequality. Okay, children? So that is the main content of this video. Okay, children? So what is the main motive? you should not judge any people by their place, religion, or language, or anything. Okay, children? So we should not judge any people. Okay, like whether they are boy or girl, or any color, white or black, any religion, any place, any language, we should not judge them without knowing them. Okay, children? Very good. Okay, thank you, children. Have a nice day. So that's all for today's topic. So listen carefully and understand this, and try to follow what I said. That means we should not judge any people without knowing their actual skills. Each person will have their own individual talent, character. Okay, so we should believe that, we should know that, and according to that we can behave. We should not judge people without knowing their individual quality. Okay, okay, children? So you understood? Okay, children, very good. So thank you, have a nice day. So we'll meet in the next YouTube class. Okay, children? Thank you, have a nice day.